nations. And Jesus' story was very simple. Love your neighbor and you'll go to heaven. We love each other. The voltage inside gets bigger and bigger and bigger. We get a halo, and eventually the halo is so powerful it will escape the Earth's gravity and go back to God, who is light. We'll become God again. But it's very difficult because everything we see around us is illusion, Maya. That's what the word means. We think we see individuals when we're actually all the same person. We're here to love each other. As long as we love each other, the voltage gets greater and greater and greater. And eventually we become light beings. Now, once you start to understand all this stuff, you'll understand, because this is a UFO conference, it's very interesting, because not only are you open-minded, but you'll understand what UFOs are, why we have them. All of this information comes together, and it all starts to make sense. But the bottom line is that you are all God inside. We all have a soul. The body is the devil, 666. We're made of carbon, the carbon atom, which has 6 electrons, 6 protons, 6 neutrons. We're the body. The physical earth is made out of 666. God, the soul around us, is 144,000. And that's the speed of light. I haven't got time to tell you that, but that's the speed of light. You need to read Bruce Cathy's books. And I suppose, being a ufologist, you'll have heard Bruce Cathy, who does a lot of stuff on UFOs. But all I can say is, have a look at the books. They're all published by American publishers, Inner Traditions. They're all on the web. I've tried to make them stand alone because the Celtic Chronicles, which was the last one to come out last summer, is all about the Celtic people who had exactly the same beliefs as the Egyptians, who had exactly the same beliefs as the Incas, who had exactly the same beliefs as the ancient Chinese. And they had the same beliefs because Jesus has been back to earth many times as different leaders. It's the same guy. And we can prove this as the lecture goes on, that he must have been the same guy. But for now, I'm afraid, we're out of time. So, I'm sorry.